TEMU. Motherfucker is sharing it. It's popping off in Messenger. Somebody might text you that shit on their phone, all that shit. I thought it was a scam. I get the thing in my Messenger talking about put the TEMU on, you get a bunch of free shit. So I downloaded the TEMU app to see what it was about and order some shit. You know, it had all kind of specials. You get this for this, this for this, this, da da da. Nobody care about that. This what the quality is. That's what just want to see. So, sight unseen. I think I spent $20 on there. They sent me 2 items or whatever. Like, yeah, everybody who near a Walmart, 5 and below, so it look like it's in 5 and below. That should be enough to tell you if you feel like with it or not. Like I said, I ain't losing $20. So let's see what we working with. I got a supposed to be plug-in security camera type deal. Oh damn.
A few moments later.
Like I said, it wouldn't have been fair if I would have opened it early and looked at it. But it looked like it actually ain't that bad. Cause you know, I got the ADT at the house. And you know, whatever that costs, cause I got people that work there or whatever. But this is an indoor, you know, camera, obviously. For it to be indoor, it don't look bad as far as build quality. I don't know, what you think? Plug it in. That's what I'm talking about. So really, yeah, everybody see what this work for real. I'm live. Let's see what's going on with that. So yeah, I got one of these. They got the joints that plug into the wall. That's why I got this one so we can test it. And then they got the other ones that screw into any standard light socket. In a second, but you know what? Come with a SIM opener. This one you can put a SD card in, but it also got cloud storage too. Now supposedly it has the night vision, 360 degrees, 90 degrees oscillation up and down. So it should be, you know, comparable to like a high-end security camera for real. And it was like $10.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I thought it was gonna be cheaper than this, like the actual 5 and below stuff. Like the build quality ain't that bad on this one. Now this is supposed to be an alarm clock, Bluetooth speaker, wireless charger joint. Package look like 5 and below. The stuff kind of a little more heavier. Right, yeah, okay, this joint got a C charger, which is alright. This might not be bad, bro. You know what I'm saying? For real. Hey, look. Because, you know, everybody that did it 5 and below get a little headphone, a little something real quick. That should be real good. Like, this don't actually feel bad as a tech head. Somebody who buys shit, man. You know what I mean? Like, the charger brick, you can tell it's, you know what I mean?
Fuck that little boo-boo, that thing looks cool right there, bro. It's dope. It works like it says. Shit, it's dope, sir.
Hell yeah, off the wireless charge, you know what I mean?
Yep, which that taking out like, man, bro, but the future of that will it like, look, let's just see how cheap the future got.
Day 2.
Like mountains round about Jerusalem.
Hey, that's kind of hard. Hold on. Hey, that's hard. Hey, that's hard. Let's see about the speaker quality on the Bluetooth though. And this phone don't got wireless charging. But that phone does. This unboxing don't matter Because I always come back with the 30 days. If it don't make it 30 days, it wasn't about no way. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm more concerned about. So I thought the TEMU shit was a scam. Somebody asked me if it was. But yeah, you get stuff if you order it. If you order something on there, you'll get it. Not like some of the that's on there.
One eternity later.
I got it Okay. It's been about you wanna say like 2 weeks with the camera and with the wireless charger, Bluetooth radio, you know, move light, whatever you wanna call it. And yeah, they both work fine. I mean, you know, wireless charging is that's the whip, it just is the way. And then the security camera, I actually put on an empty device, a reset device I had laying around just to see what it was gonna be like. And yeah, it works perfectly. So, you know, TEMU app, good on you.
With them glasses on, you look like the Shermanator. I'll be cracked.
Damn.
I'll be cracked.
You stopped a good time.
Yeah, you did.
Who that?